Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Every day I wake up with the chirping of the birds. My garden is a safe shelter of various birds. I don't even know the name of all the birds. Various birds such as the sparrow, pigeon, Indian man, cuckoo, and etc. come to my garden in the morning. On a rare occasions, one or two majority birds also pay a visit to my garden. At that time, all the members of my family assemble to observe the beauty of those birds. We treat them like our special guests and offer seeds and water to eat or drink. My favorite place in my house in the garden. I have developed an emotional attachment with the smell, stretch of greenery. Last year, my garden was totally destroyed by the super cyclone. That incident made me very sad. But I, along with the grandfather, created the garden more beautiful by working day by night and diligently gardening and seeing the plants blooming gives me the amazing feeling of creating something new. In the other way, the gardening is also pleasing for me because the greenery is a good sea patience and I have cultivated many vegetables in my garden with the help of my grandfather. Tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger and green chili are among them. I am trying to make my garden an organic garden so that we don't have to depend upon vegetables bought from the market. These vegetables that I grow, the several health benefits beside being fresh and chemical free. There is a soft grass all over my garden. That grass is maintained properly and trimmed on a regular basis. This makes the garden an ideal place for different exercise. I like to walk in bare feet in my garden only because of the soft grass cover. Moreover, there is a swing in my garden where I can spend hours swimming on the I don't get bored doing my activities in my garden. When it is a holiday, I spend my entire day in my garden doing various activities. My grandparents